Back here in our project, we're gonna continue fixing this door actuator. Here in driver's side, we fixed this already. Passenger side, this is the second row. Driver's side, what we're gonna do right now, the second row passenger side, it doesn't work. I will just make a quick video about this because I show it already, the first row and the second row, and this is the last door that we have to do. So let's go and finish this up. We will testing. It's working. We'll just fix the speaker at the same time before we return the panel back. This is the new one we have to install. We're done. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.